Hi. So in this project we'll be looking at the book genre classification. As the name suggests, it classifies the or it predicts the genre of a book based on the summary of the book. It classifies, there are many classes which the model is trained on, that is a thriller, science fiction, fiction, history and many more. So let's look at the workflow of this. So first we'll load the data into the data frames, then we'll perform some pre-processing techniques, as this is a natural language processing task. So there will be many pre-processing techniques like stemming, lemmatizing and all, and then after that we will perform some exploratory data analysis on the stemmed words. Then after that we'll select the best machine learning algorithm which will fit the data, and then we will save that model weights, and then we will integrate that model with the web service, that is by using any web framework like Flask or Django. Then we will deploy our model on AWS EC2 instance. So this is the overall workflow of this project, that is book genre classification. Let's look at the working demo of this. So here is the working demo of this. So book genre prediction. So this is the information about the data set, where so you can go and directly you can just go over here and directly you can download the data set from this given link over here, or else I'll also provide the data set, and over here you can just download the data set from here, and you'll get the data. Then after that, let's look at the working demo of this. Let's for example, let's copy this everything and paste it over here, and let's hit on this predict button and see how this is predicting. So it is taking a little bit time, and if I just do a refresh over here, I think so things will go work. Yeah, so here we can see that the summary is classified as thriller over here. Okay, so basically it may take a little bit time, because at the backend machine learning instances are working, they are very heavy, and the load on it is little bit more. So when a huge chunk of text is been sent directly to it, it takes a little bit time to predict, and because of some load issue it may happen, but most of the times it will give the prediction correctly. As you can see over here also, the prediction was correctly given, because the first few lines were talking about something, talking about some historic events. Now let's completely do this and paste it over here and just hit predict once. So yeah, so now you can see it is thriller. Why it classified as thriller is right. This airborne toxic event is one event which is a chemical spill from rail release, and it just entered into someone's body's thing, and then over here at the end it is a way how over here a tricycle across the highway and miraculously surviving. So it is kind of surviving from a very big chemical spill, and then there is a lot of struggle which is happening. So it's almost a kind of a thriller only. So it is perfectly classified it as thriller. So in the next video we'll look at the building of this project.